changes, we're talking about live English, and we've been analyzing what our students need, and we've realized that okay, it's great to work on conversation, and I think the private lessons you get with your teachers and the group lessons you get in the club are a good tool to improve your speaking skills. But what about your writing skills? I think it's also something that people might underestimate and might not work on, but it's actually very, very important. So we've come up with a new course, and I'd like to invite you to this new course. It's a writing workshop that's going to start in November. I'll send you all the details. I'll put them on the chat. It's a workshop that is dedicated to writing. So you'll have a lot of practice, lots of tips to help you write better, quicker, more clearly, more concisely, everything you need to write without fear. Okay, because sometimes if you need to write a letter in your own language, you know the codes, you know what the expressions to use, but in English, it takes you a long time just to fine tune and make sure it's the right way. So we're going to work on that, and it's going to take place over 3 weeks, every Thursday night for an hour and a half each time. So it's going to be a course over 3 weeks. We're going to go into the details of things, and you're going to have a lot of practice and all our tips. And it's going to be facilitated by our teacher, Shane, who you probably know already.